Good day, everyone, and welcome to ICM's price action analysis. For today, August 13th, we'll take a look at the gold, the fiber, and the EURJPY. Starting with gold on a daily chart, we saw a massive correction to the market earlier this week, with the lows touching and quickly bouncing off of this 5-month-old trend line, which coincides with this 50-day simple moving average, confirming a very strong support area. Now, after 9 consecutive weeks of bullishness, investors took profit due to the increase of bets on new US stimulus relief. Now, to help us find the next possible key levels, we can draw a Fibonacci retracement from the last support area, which is found near the 1800 level, up to the last high, painting us a clearer picture. Moving on to the 4 hours, prices yesterday dipped, finding support just above this short-term support line, while the RSI barely dipped over the oversold territory, bouncing off, finding its first short-term resistance on the Tenkan-sen around the 1945 level. And the next possible resistance could be found at the Kijun-sen around the 1969 level. Taking a look back at the daily chart, we see the 1969 matches with a 38.2% on the Fibonacci we drew. And notice here that the lows on the market yesterday also coincides with a 76.4% on the Fibonacci retracement. Moving on to the fiber, on the daily chart, we see prices are stuck in a 200 pip range between the 119 and the 117 levels. Now, as long as prices are holding above this support line and the 50-day simple moving average, we can concur that the bulls are still running the market. Now, the midpoint between the 119 and 117 is the 118. Any clear daily candle close above it could help prices retest the 119. Moving on to the 1 hour, we see prices are well above the Ichimoku cloud and the midpoint 118. We notice here that the RSI is almost touching overbought territory. A pullback could be coming in. First short-term support could be found around the 118 area. Last but not least, on the EURJPY, currently the prices are over a year and 3 months, testing the highs of April 2019. We could see just earlier here in June, prices found resistance around the 124 area, touching it again. An early week of August, it broke through, reaching a new high, retesting, going up. To see the next possible levels, we could draw an extended Fibonacci from the last dip or the support area here. This is near the 50-day simple moving average, up to the last resistance line, connecting the last dip before it went up. Now, this shows us that the extension on the 61.8%, prices found resistance, bounced back, corrected to which was once a resistance, became a support line, and now is continuing towards the 100% on the extended Fibonacci. Now, if we take a look at the 100% on the extended Fibonacci, it matches, you just diminish this, it matches these key points here, where once it was a strong support, turned into a strong resistance, matching the 100% on the extended Fibonacci. Taking a look at the 4 hours, we see prices are strongly above the Ichimoku cloud, and the RSI is nearing the overbought territory. Any short-term support could be found on the Tenkan-sen between 125.82 and the Kijun-sen around the 125.48, which matches almost the 61.8% on the extended Fibonacci. That is all for today. I can remind you that this video was made for educational purposes only, not intended to provide any buy or sell signals whatsoever. Thank you for tuning in.